Yes, hello everyone, welcome on YourPedia platform. I hope you all are fine, preparing well. So guys, yesterday we had some discussion related to the some vacancies, assistant engineer mechanical vacancies out by Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission, and guys, for that we have launched some module also. Okay, so in this video, today's video, I'm going to discuss with you how you can purchase that module and what actually we are offering in that module for Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission. Okay, so guys, if you will type on Google YourPedia Education, you will be able to enter on the YourPedia website. Just only you need to type this YourPedia Education, and if you will click on the top link only, you will be able to enter on the website. Okay, and after entering on the YourPedia website, आपको क्लिक करना है बच्चों कोर्सेज पे. कोर्सेज पे क्लिक करने के बाद इन द बॉटम वन कॉलम यू विल फाइंड स्टेट जेईई. तो कोर्सेज पे क्लिक करोगे, देन यू नीड टू गो टू द स्टेट जेईई, and after clicking on this state JEE, you will find the module for Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission. Okay, so let us go to that first. Okay, so yes, so here you will find Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission Assistant Engineer Recruitment in PWD and RNB for the mechanical students. Okay, so if you will click on that guys, you will get the details of this particular module, what we are offering in this particular module guys. तो यहाँ पे आप click करके देख सकते हो. These all details already we had discussion. 3rd of August से they started the online process, so you can start. Starting date of application is 3rd of August. Last day to apply is 3rd September. Okay, so all these things we have discussed. I hope you know. Okay, and some instructions also how you can apply for this. Now let us check the package details. Okay, what we are offering in this module. So guys, 100% syllabus coverage will be there, entire syllabus according to the demand of this particular examination guys. So whatever is there in the curriculum, they mentioned entire syllabus we are going to cover. तो पूरा का पूरा 100% syllabus coverage रहेगा बच्चों. Daily life classes रहेगी related to the practice solving. You know guys, question practice is very much important. अगर आपको कोई भी PSU या एनी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन इफ यू वांट टू क्रैक, यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट. तो उसी के लिए डेली लाइव क्लासेस, प्रैक्टिस सेशन विल बी देयर, डाउट क्लासेस विल आल्सो बी देयर. Other than this, we are going to provide you entire theory content, recorded lectures. Okay, so you based on like the availability, whatever time you are having, you will be able to watch the entire theory content. और डेली क्या रहेंगी, लाइव क्लासेस रहेंगी रिलेटेड टू योर डाउट्स एज वेल एज प्रैक्टिस सेशन. तो डेली प्रैक्टिस सेशन होंगे एंड रिकॉर्डेड थ्योरी क्लासेस आल्सो, एंटायर कंटेंट यू विल गेट. उससे अलग यू विल गेट द प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन ई बुक. Okay, ebook consisting of all different subjects, including 2000 plus questions from the entire mechanical engineering domain you will get. Most important 150 questions video solution also you will get. तो ये भी आपके कंटेंट में रहेगा, मॉड्यूल में रहेगा. Other than this, you will get the online test series also, जिसमें 40 जो है आपके सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट रहेंगे and 5 आपके फुल मॉक टेस्ट रहेंगे. So total 45 tests will be there in this particular module. Other than this, entire 100% syllabus already I mentioned. The validity of this module will be 6 months guys. 6 month का इस module का validity रहेगा and admission is now open in this particular module. If you are interested, you can just click on this, click here to join, and after paying this particular amount 4500, you can go for this particular module guys. So it is a very exclusive module for Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission. Yesterday also guys we had discussion. There are some different topics like statistical quality control. Okay, very clearly they defined the thermal engineering syllabus. Entire, you know, there is a good weightage will be there I think this time for the thermal domain. So entire part they are covering. So we need to focus on those key areas to crack this particular examination. तो examination difficult नहीं होता बच्चों, आपको entire syllabus आपको cover करना पड़ता है. Second, आपको practice करनी पड़ती है हर topic की. So considering that in mind guys, we are going to cover the entire syllabus and then we are going to focus more and more on solving problem, ताकि आपका एक लेवल बन जाए. all previous year engineering services problem, all previous year different PSU problems we are going to solve, ताकि एक लेवल बन जाए आपका to crack these kind of examination. So guys, I hope these things are very much clear now how you can purchase this particular module. For any other further query, you can shoot your query through to our executives. You can go to our website, you will find the details, some numbers you will find, and yes, in the description of this video also you are going to find out some number, you can go for that. And yes, if you are interested further having any query, you can fill the Google form. Otherwise, you can directly go to website and purchase this module. Okay, but yes, if you have any further query, you can put your query through Google form also, or you can directly call. Thank you, keep preparing, and let's meet. We are going to start the classes for this particular module, Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission Assistant Engineer Mechanical. So thank you, keep preparing, good luck.